things at home.
Door.
Door. Door.
Doors can be made of wood, metal, and other things.
Window.
Window. Window. Can you guess the shape of this window? Fan.
Fan. Fan.
Is there a fan in your room?
Light switch.
Light switch. Light switch.
Have you ever turned off a light switch?
Door.
Door.
Window.
Window. Fan.
Fan.
Light switch.
Light switch.
10. Far. Fun.
10.
Far.
Fun.
Saw.
Day.
Low.
Body parts.
Nose.
Nose. Nose. We use our noses to smell.
Eye.
Eye. Eye.
Can you see my eyes?
Hair.
Hair. Hair.
Do you shampoo your hair every day?
Mouth.
Mouth. Mouth.
Where is your mouth? Nose.
Nose.
Eye.
Eye.
Hair.
Hair.
Mouth.
Mouth.
Ooh. 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 Lion. Lion. Ooh. Leaf. Leaf. Ooh. Log. Log. Words start with L.
Leg.
Lips.
Lotus.
Lemon.
Live.
Like. Choose the picture that goes with the word.
That is right.
Window.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
That is right.
Light switch.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
Fantastic.
Fan.
Choose the word that goes with the picture.
Try again.
Fantastic.
Nose.
Choose the word that goes with the picture. Fantastic.
Hair. Choose the word that goes with the picture.
You did it.
Door.
Can you pick out day? Try again.
You did it. Which one is?
Far. Great job.
Hooray! You finished the lesson.
Congratulations, you've earned a sticker.
Play lessons to earn more stickers.